So reading is fundamental, like access coaching is fundamental. Like
I had extensive college coaching. We like to call it access here in your project.
The project is like we have a bunch of low-income students who are super talented but don't necessarily have access to the same services that students who are of more wealth would have. So the main thing that is the equalizer is the access coaching.
If you think back, my parents, I'm first generation, my parents don't kind of see the value of that.
And this access is incredibly important, especially considering the demographic that the fellows usually come from. We don't come from the schools that have all of the tutoring available and have all of these extra resources available for us. So for NEA Project to be able to provide that is really a godsend.
As like standardized testing starts to dissipate, the main thing that folks will like be evaluated based off of is how they are packaged.
I realized that there were just there's a lot more that I needed to delve into. I wasn't really sharing like my story and who I was and my answers. My answers were superficial.
I see the value that provided me to have the opportunities that I have now, and I'll continue to have moving forward.
And preparing us for this very competitive process, because ultimately the college process is how you market yourself.
Becoming a unique candidate in the scholarship, in the application process. Not a lot of students who are from where we're from have the opportunity. Access coaching, I was giving a lot of different workshops.
And they basically prepare us from resume writing to college essay writing.
But access coaching was like, all right, you have this a lot of time to do something, make it count. Like we're gonna go over recommendations, we're gonna go over essay writing. You're gonna read your speech in front of everyone and they're gonna tell you how it sounds.
Literally, got us together bi-weekly and prepped us up for those interviews and for those essays, college essays that we needed to write.
And at some points we even had huge whiteboard drawings of like, this is your why, you need to connect this to this, and you need to figure out the intermediate parts to like get your full story.
Like it wasn't just like, oh, this writing is good, it's how do you present it.
The master classes and the senior sessions, they taught me how to market myself and how to really distill what my skills are so that I can put myself on a piece of paper and slide it to an employer and say, this is me, this is who I am, this is what I can offer.
A way that will give me access to scholarships, acceptances, etc.
So it was definitely brutal, but I definitely think it shaped the person that I am today, just that entire process, because now I approach opportunities different and I approach applications different, I approach interviews different.
So, did you get a scholarship?
Yes.
One of the reasons I was able to get a full tuition at Syracuse University is because of the resources that the NEA project provided.
Access coaching was incredible. I really do not think I would be at the school that I'm at with the amount of scholarships that I have if I did not go to access coaching.